Hey, this your boy, Elder Keith Humes. I'm coming back to you live again. Listen, today I want to talk about something that we're offering that is probably never going to be offered again. That is an opportunity for you to actually get the funding you need. That's right, grant funding. That doesn't require you to have a good credit score, doesn't require you to have anything. Now, do you have to have funding? Absolutely. You need to be able to invest in our training. Everybody needs a mentor. But imagine spending less than $600 and being able to access more than $12,000 to just get your program going. Ask Natalie Miller. She joined our Mastermind Training class, got into the Grantwriting workshop, and every single time I turn around, this girl got grants coming through. This sister is amazing. So what I want to do is share this opportunity with you. Join us now, 1-844-472-4233. Get in now.